Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be slaying another lace wig. I've already went ahead and prepped my hair in 4 braids. Typically I would do 6, but today I was a little bit lazy. So I'm going to just put them back like so. And I'm going to kind of beehive it and bobby pin, and it's going to fit super flat. Okay, so today we're going to be playing in a bob lace wig. This is what she looks like. As you guys can see, she's pre-parted with a center part, and this is what the interior looks like. Now if you just go ahead and try it on, this one's gonna look super pretty once I go ahead and install in style. But the first thing I'm gonna notice is that it does need to be tweezed as far as the hairline goes, and also that the actual lace does not match my complexion. Now generally speaking, I am a chocolate girl, so majority of the time the lace almost never matches my complexion perfectly. Even if it's a medium brown, it may be a smidget lighter. So what I'm gonna do is what I've been doing lately, and that is using a foundation to go ahead and buff along the hairline, and this is gonna act as my lace tint and pretty much finesse. Now I kind of flipped it inside out, and I'm just going to take along the hairline and kind of dab it in. And I'm just going to buff it in really good. Now you guys can see it's a little bit more reminiscent of my complexion, a lot more warm. Let's try it on and see how it's going to look. Now this is much more realistic to my skin tone. It makes it look a lot more natural, and of course the excess lace is still on, but we definitely have made progress. Now we're going to cut off the excess lace and install. There are pieces where I forgot, like I applied the product and the layer across from ear to ear, and then I let it get tacky. I think I let it get a little bit too tacky, number one, and number two, I think this product is better used if you work in sections. But nonetheless, we are going to go ahead and clean up our work. So today I want more of like a edges versus baby hairstyle look. So I'm going to start off by straightening out the hairline. I am going to add a little bit of hairspray. revisit this powder here. If you've been following me for years, then you guys know I used to use this powder to set the hairline years ago here on the YouTube channel, and I loved it, and I don't know why I stopped using it. Like here, it made it a little bit too light. It's a little bit red and it's a little bit powdery. Maybe that's why I stopped using it. Like you see here, don't like that. So I'm gonna go in darker. Okay, so I switched it up and I went, all of that went in my mouth, but went darker. Now I remember why I don't use the Maybelline powder. It's too light and it almost highlights the hairline. You never want to highlight the hairline and make it look bright. That's just a dead giveaway that it's fake and it's not installed properly, or not even that it's not installed properly, but more so that it's not styled properly. So this one here is by Bobbi Brown, and I love this powder because it's nice and chocolatey. I'm not sure if this is my complexion or if it's darker. I feel like if I applied, even though it looks like my complexion, it'll look a little bit more cocoa on my complexion, so maybe it's like a shade darker, but it works well because it's not too red and it doesn't highlight. So sometimes it may look a little bit too chocolatey, but you'd rather almost be a little bit darker than even a smidget lighter. But that worked out perfect. As far as the hair goes, this one came from WIGENCOUNTERS, as we already know, and this is the packaging as always. So it did come with the elastic bands, and it did come in a packaging like this. So when I first started this video, it definitely looked like I needed to tweeze it. I did not tweeze or customize the hairline any as far as like pulling out any of the hairs. And as you guys can see, by the time I installed and styled, it definitely looks really nice as far as the hairline goes. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure you check out WIGENCOUNTERS. All the details on this wig are in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!